Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your Realme Buds Air 5 on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line or click on search here and write Realme. Now search and you should install this application. Hello. Ask not to track. Agree. Got it. Hello. Now select your region. Let's say that's okay for me, and then click next. Hello while using app. Got it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.